So wow, the NAM is forecasting a high QPF event for tomorrow. Very high QPF event. 17, wow, close to 20 inches in the city. This model is now upped it from the 15Z. It went up from 7 inches or 8 inches all the way up over 10. Wow, and there's a good clustering of between 10 and 15. There's a good chance of at least a foot of snow tomorrow. It's definitely higher than I thought it was going to be. So I'm upping my forecast from to 10 to 15 inches. Definitely we're going to have a high snow event tomorrow. Very heavy snow event. Wow, up to 1.37 QPF now. Very heavy snow event tomorrow. This looks pretty healthy in terms of snowfall. Looks like my area is going to get, if I'm looking at the snowfall, definitely upward of a foot. Well, thank you for watching. Good night and have a good day. And my forecast is for up to a foot of snow for tomorrow, as I said. It looks like there might... Wow, the storm is going to stall. I really like that. Look, another heavy cell coming in. But that's the NAM, so you can't always believe that. But just be careful for high snow event tomorrow. Strong winds tomorrow, definitely likelihood. So precipitation should end when the storm gets to about the Cape. Definitely having a sub 990 millibar storm now. So my prediction for tomorrow is 10 to 15 inches with locally higher amounts. Thank you for watching, and I'll make another video tomorrow.